Hi everyone, I'm Klara. Subscribe to my channel and like my video to improve your English. See you later! Good morning everyone. How are you? I woke up very late. I feel great. Sorry. Are you like that too? Some people can't start the day without tea. This coffee, everything is so beautiful. Paris is truly a fascinating city. We're going to explore Paris together today. Living in a caravan doesn't mean being unkempt, folks. Skincare is a must. I can't skip breakfast. I'll be out all day, so I need to have a really hearty breakfast. Otherwise, I'll have to eat out. I know my breakfast looks boring to you, but I'm also on a diet, folks. I've lost a full 12 kilos. But this breakfast really fills me up. You should try it too. Hey, if you have any questions about my diet, I can make a video about it. Oh, everyone. I wish you were here too and we could have breakfast together in front of the Eiffel Tower. I'm ready, folks. Let's go explore Paris. We're going to be quite tired today. Be prepared.
I'm so excited. Paris is a really amazing city. Look here. How many people have been to Paris before, guys? This is my first time.
Look, folks, I've heard of this market. Everything here is organic. People come here to shop and eat natural things. Do you like collecting different kinds of toys? I had a friend named Jane. She really loved collecting old and unique toys. This is that old toy shop. I have to show this picture to Jane. She'll be ecstatic. They really look great. People are so polite and they follow the rules. People don't age here. It's wonderful. It's so crowded here. Of course, not everywhere is the same. Every city isn't the same everywhere, is it? Where are the green spaces in Paris? Where are the walking parks, forests, green areas around here? I guess I should ask someone.
Excuse me, is there a green area or forest, a walking path nearby?
Yes, turn right here and keep walking. You'll see it.
Thank you.
Let's see if we can find a wooded area, folks. I'm not very good with the way. Oh, I think we're going the right way. Yes. Wow, this forest is incredible. Look at the animals. I love forests and greenery. Being surrounded by nature makes me feel so good. Some people love the sea, some love greenery. Which do you prefer? Wow, this forest is so beautiful. Click! And another one. I'm tired, folks. It's time to go home. It's getting dark. Let's go. It's almost evening. Oh, and I'm hungry. I'm so tired. I think you're all quite tired too. I feel so hungry. Actually, I really want a hamburger. Oh, but I'm on a diet. No breaking the diet, Klara. Get a grip. No, I'm not going to break my diet. Healthy living, Klara. Get a grip, Klara. You've lost 12 kilos, Klara. Keep going, Klara. Sometimes I just crave unhealthy things. It happens to everyone on a diet. It's really hard sometimes. But I got through it. Onward. Yes, I'm so tired. finally home, home sweet home. I'm hungry, tired, and sweaty. I'm going to take a quick shower now. I've walked a lot, run a lot, and sweated a lot. Cleaning first. Finally! I want to eat soon, everyone. What do you think I should do? What should I eat? Do you have any suggestions?
What can I do? There's nothing I can do.
Because I'm on a diet and I'm determined, folks. That's all from me for today, friends. After I finish my salad, I'm going to watch a movie and then go to sleep. Don't forget to follow me and like my video. I hope you liked my video. Let's chat in the comments. I'm curious to hear your thoughts. Goodbye. See you later.